Hi guys, this is Patty and I am getting ready to do a roast in the Dutch oven, and I'm going to just show you a little bit of what I've done. I seasoned my roast very well. First, I soaked it in a little vinegar water for about 15 minutes. I rinsed it really well. Then I put a little grapeseed oil on it. And well, first I patted it dry with paper towel. Then I put a little bit of oil on it and my seasonings so they would stick, and lightly floured it so that I could sear it. So here it is. I seared it. And this is the skillet that I use to sear it in. And you see all of that brown deliciousness in there? That is what I seared the roast in. And it left behind all of this and a little thickness because I lightly floured it. So then, what I'm going to do with this, I have mixed here, as you can see, and I'm going to add some more beef broth to that. I added a pack of this brown gravy and a pack of onion mushroom. And what I'm going to do is I have 2 green onions that I'm going to cut up and put in there. And then I'm going to do half of this large onion, and I'm going to get all of that mixed together. And I'm going to put some beef broth in this. When I get this all the way I want it with the seasonings and everything and the bell peppers and the sweet onions, then I will add it to this pot along with the beef broth and let it cook on top for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then I will put it in the oven and put everything in it. When it's right close to being done, I have my carrots here. I have 4 carrots like this. I'm going to cut them and get the skin off of that, cut them and put them in it. And the last thing that I will put in the Dutch oven while it's in the oven with the roast will be the potatoes, because I don't want them to get soggy. So I will be cutting the potatoes up and everything. And I said I wasn't going to do a video because I have done one before, but that's okay. I'm not showing you every step, but I'm just giving you some basics. And that's it. So when I get everything together, it's ready to go in the oven, I'll bring you guys back and show you what I have going on here. Okay, guys, look at all of the deliciousness, all of my seasonings that I have put in here. And remember, I told you about the beef broth. Well, I've mixed it here with the other mixtures that I showed you earlier. And I'm going in with that just like so. Just like so. And I am going to simmer this. I'm gonna let it come to a boil. Look at all of that. And that's gonna make some amazing gravy. So when I get this simmering a little bit, I am going to pour this mixture in the pot with the roast and let it cook on top for about an hour, as I said. And then I'll be putting it in the oven. But I'll come right back. Hi guys, just want you to see the roast that I'm cooking on the stovetop. I've added all of the deliciousness into the pot with the gravy, and it is boiling, probably medium-high heat right now. And I'm going to let it cook for 1 hour. Then I will be putting it in the oven. I will put the carrots in, and lastly I will put the potatoes in, probably the last 15 or 20 minutes of cooking, I will add the potatoes. Maybe not 20 minutes. That may be a little too long because I don't want them to be mushy. So here it is, and I'll come back with the final results. Guys, this is the finished product. Just want you to see it. I've just gotten it out of the oven, and you can see the potatoes and carrots and probably a couple of bay leaves. But here it is. I am going to plate it and come right back. It is yum, yum. Here it is, guys. All plated. Carrots, potatoes, roast, rice, and gravy. Just brought you guys back in to see what it's looking like. Thank you so much for coming and watching. I said I wouldn't do a video of the roast because I had done one before, but I wanted you guys to see a little bit of it. I just did a basic, not all details of me seasoning it and all of that. But anywho, here it is, guys. Please like, ring the notification bell, give a thumbs up. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. And please make comments. I thank you so much. Bye-bye.